Hey guys, Carl at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Coach Pontoon. It is a tri-toon. It is in phenomenal condition. And unlike many boats that you'll see, this one does come with the trailer. Let's jump up top and see what it looks like. All right guys, up top here, you'll see the tan interior, the leather, and you got the non-slip vinyl flooring here as well, all in beautiful condition. Wraparound seating, and you'll see bazooka speakers underneath that go throughout the entire the boat itself. Let's make our way to the helm. All right, here in the helm, as you can see, you got Simrad electronics powering the boat. You have a Honda 250 and then also a Rockford Fosgate sound system up front. This boat has just under 100 hours on it, and great captain's chairs, both swivel around, become part of your entertainment when you're at the island or what have you. All right, let's move back to the back here. As you can see, the seating wraps on around just like it did in the front. Loungers in the front and the rear. And in the rear here also, you'll see the extended platform that was an option for this boat, and your Honda 250 as well. All right, as I said, my name is Carl, and here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you like this boat or have any other questions about any other boat we may have, give me a call. My cell is 334-695-6035, and I look forward to talking with you.